Hey everyone, we're gonna make this delicious, easy Napoleon cake that you just gotta make because it's that good and easy. So I'm using these Palmers, so that's gonna be like our cake base. And we're gonna need to make custard, so we're gonna need sugar, eggs, cornstarch, sweetened condensed milk, vanilla milk, butter at room temperature. So in here in the saucepan, I'm gonna use 2 whole eggs and additional 3 egg yolks and mix with sugar. Once you've mixed that a few minutes, add in the cornstarch and mix as well. We don't want any lumps, so you just gotta work it out a little bit till it gets silky smooth. Add in the sweetened condensed milk, and guess what? Let's mix again. Mix until it's all combined together. Now, whisking with one hand and pouring milk with the other hand. You can do that, or you can just pour a little by little and then whisking like I am here. So we are ready to put this on the stove. We're gonna put this over medium heat. Over medium heat, we're gonna cook this, stirring continually, constantly, for 8 to 10 minutes until we're gonna get a nice, as you can see, it's all watery now, looks, consistency, and right now it's all has thickened. Do not leave the stove because this thing is tricky. It can look all normal at the top, but on the bottom of the pan it can be burning. So do not trust this custard, so you don't want to burn it. So then once 8 minutes has passed, remove it from the stove and add in the softened butter and mix. Once you get all the butter in, we're gonna add in the vanilla. Here's the vanilla. All right, so our custard is finally done, which was probably the longest thing you have to, that's hands-on. And now, as you can see, it's so smooth and delicious. Try not to eat a lot of it as it cools. Save it for the cake. It's that good. Place plastic food wrap touching the custard, and we're gonna just leave it aside at room temperature to cool off a few hours. In the meantime, well, no meantime. So have that. In the meantime, I prepared a plate, a large plate, or you can do a cake stand, and I have a spring form border, no bottom, just the border, and I cut the Palmers in half, and we're just gonna place some cream in the bottom, put the halves, and then just continue all the way. Cream, Palmers, cream, Palmers. The extras crumbs, you can put them in the holes. If you haven't subscribed yet, I suggest that you do, because you're gonna get great easy recipes on my channel. And share these videos with your friends. It helps my channel grow. And thank you so much for that. So this cake is gonna be tall. So now we filled it completely, got the extra Palmers that we're gonna crush them later. So put plastic food wrap over this cake and refrigerate it overnight because the layers need to soften. And that goes there. Now I'll place the Palmers in a bag it just saves the mess, and just crush them, whatever you got. And then I'm just gonna leave this aside once our cake is ready, which is gonna be tomorrow. So I pre-make this now, so to leave a lot less to do tomorrow. The cake is out. This is the next day. I used a sharp knife to go around it, and then I released the springform pan. It's nice and tall, and it's so good. So here's our crumbs. Now let's decorate. So sprinkle the top, and then you can use some berries for the top as well, or just a few mint leaves will do. This is so good. This is tastes like the original Napoleon cake, the Russian cake. Yum and delicious. I suggest you do it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Add those berries. You can drizzle some chocolate. I mean, you can go all sorts of ways right now. You can just do just mint leaves, make it nice clean look, or just whatever you want, really. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Till next time. Bye.